Alright, welcome to my channel. It's Lecture. What I'm working on today is I'm going to try an out of package pick on one of these U-Hauls. But when I first got into locksport, uh, my club I'm in had a U-Haul that everybody was struggling with. I was struggling, I couldn't get it picked. Nobody in the club could get it picked. And I was just starting, so I didn't know what was going on. So I was searching eBay and I found these U-Haul locks. Well, one of them was like the one in the club, this one, and this one was spools. I could get this one picked fine, and this one I couldn't. So before I knew better how to remove, gut these, I filed it down to the pins come out, and then I could see what was in it. And it ended up this one that I could get was spools, and this one I couldn't get was tapers. So that's why once I figured out it was tapers, and I knew I just had to keep clicking and I could pick it. Like I said, that was very early on in my lock sport career. Then later on, I had fun with those, so I found this one. It was a little bit different, and I got it. So I'll show you the difference kind of in the keyways. So let's see if I got it focus. Well, right. So the one here has spools. It's one type of keyway, kind of to the left. The one, excuse me, this is, shoot, I forget. Yeah, that's the spool one. See how the key goes to the left? Well, the one that had tapers, the key bitting kind of was to the right. And then the last one I got was a Y1 keyway. So interesting. This one is spools, but it's not as difficult to pick as this one. This one gives a lot more feedback, and this one hardly gives no feedback except clicks. So I found two more on eBay again. They said they were the 50s. I didn't look at the picture too close. As you can tell, they don't have the 85 50s like the first two I got did. It's like this one, and these are the Y1. Looking at these are also the Y1 keyway. So this must be the newer version. So let's see if I can do an out of pack pick on these. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think this will get it. Or at least on one of them. Alright. So what does the back say? Does it say anything worth reading? Hardened steel shackle, Y keyway, 5 pins, very hard to pick, titanium, proprietary brass alloy, double double latch locking shackle system, stainless steel springs, and 1 1/8 clearance. So very hard to pick, it says. So let's find out. All right. Get this there. Make sure you're in focus on the lock. So I'm going to go in, type a keyway, and see what we can find. Slight click on one, not much. Slight click on 2, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, nothing. Alright, so not much feedback. 1, still springy. Let's see, 2, feels like it's maybe set. 3, 4, 5, okay. Let's see who I'm on here. I think I'm on 2. Alright, so I'm going to reset. Maybe I overset somebody. Slight click on 1. Two, gotta go click that time. 3 is springy, 4 is springy, 5 is springy. Let's go back to 1. I need a different profile. Let me try a different profile. Check in 1. Feels set. 2 feels okay. 3 is crunchy. Ooh. 4 is crunchy. 5 is springy. Okay. Alright. Somebody's moving. Who's that? Alright. Let me reset with this profile. 1 just gave a click. 2 gave a slight click, not much of a click. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, 1 may be binding again. Alright. Not much feedback. Let's see. Make sure 1 is not binding. 2 just gave a click. I felt a slight move on the core. Not much. 2. 3 is springy. 4 is springy. 5, I'm not really feeling anything. Oh, gotta click on somebody coming out. I think it may have been 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Let's see, what else? Got another pick. And let's see. Alright. Let's go with a short hook here. 1 feels set. 2 feels set. 3 is just springy. 4 is springy. 5 is springy. Alright. Resetting again. 1 is loose. So I can come from the bottom. Click on 2. Click on 3. 4 is binding now. See if I can get a deeper hook in there. One, 2, 3. 4 is kind of crunchy. 5, and 1. And going back through 1. 2, give another click. 3, feels set. 4, 5's binding now. Alright. That put up a little bit of a fight until I got the right leverage and pick on it. Maybe 1 spool in there. Let's try. What time now? We got enough time. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. Alright. I guess I didn't show you the bidding on the first one. And there's the bidding on the first one. And there's the bidding. Yeah, let's see. Yep, works fine. Okay. So try this one. I can hold on to the tensioner. Alright. Nope, not the right pick. Right. 1 is binding. Yep. 2 is binding. Slight click. I'm gonna leave it alone. 3 is. I don't know about 3. I'm gonna leave it alone. 4. 5 is springy. Alright. Coming back, checking. 1 feels good. 2 gave me another click. So 1, 2, 3, is binding. Select click on 4. 5 is binding tight. Alright, and there we go. So, not much feedback on these, the newer ones, you know, compared to, which one is it? This one. Just out of comparison, see if I can show you the difference in the feedback between the two when you're picking this one, the older one. So if I remember correctly, pin 1 is our standard, maybe. Okay, just want to check. Alright, so there we just dropped into default set. Okay, 2 is countering, got a click. Let's see, I lost my fault set a little bit, so see who needs to be bumped. Anybody, or to overset it? May overset 2. So let me reset. Try 1. Alright, we dropped in our fault set. 2. Bump 1 in again. Went back into the fault set. 3. Lost the fault set. Bump 1. I get it back. 4. I nudged and went into a lot deeper fault set. I'll keep nudging 4. I think I got it, but I kept my fault set. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is real high, and then if I can get under 5, make sure I'm under the pin and not the warding. Oh, I think I just overset it. See if I can drop it back down. 1, 2, just bump 4 again. Dropped it back into the fault set. Check everybody else real quick before I start messing with 5 again. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. A little bit of counter. Alright. Alright. So I kept my pick under at that time and dropped it back down. Just bumped 4, went back into the false set. Let's see, who did I drop? That feels like 3, and we're open. So this one plays a good game of spool ping pong, but you know, this is, I think, one of the older versions, maybe an Abyss version or whatever you want to call it. But anyway, that's some of the U-Haul 2-inch or 50mm brass locks. My opinion is, if you can find them that have the number 8055, they're a lot more feedback than the newer ones that have the Y1. These are kind of, as you can see, they're real gritty sometimes, and not much feedback. But if you're interested in some old brass locks, that's my 2 cents on it. I mean, you can take it for what it was. These were the same size until I filed it down to get the pins out. But anyway, alright, thanks for watching.